What a marvelous why I ain't never seen a scene quite so scenic. What the life of the party, you and I, they say like they mean it. But if they wanted to connect, if they wanted to inspect, then they'd do it. Instead of trying to convince us that they're fabulous, we're fabulous. It's all just sticking to my tongue, sticking to my mouth, man. Gotta get it out before I choke, 'cause I don't wanna find the one. That's just an idiot fantasy that you're waiting on again. No, I don't wanna find the one. Isn't love enough? 'Cause I don't wanna find the one. Well, I'll admit that when I met you, I bet you would get to be a habit. We like lining up the white dots, getting in a tight spot, wreaking havoc. Now you hate to be alone, hate the sound of my phone whenever it's ringing. Oh, you know it's not love when they reach out to touch you and you fidget. Is this the end game of romance, man? Making endless plans, plan it if you can, but leave me out, 'cause I don't wanna find the one. That's just an idiot fantasy that you're waiting on again. No, I don't wanna find the one. Isn't love enough? 'Cause I don't wanna find the one. Love is so much better when you don't put pressure on me and don't expect me to be everything I once, yeah. Love is so much better when you don't put pressure on it. Don't expect it to be everything I once, 'cause it's such a gift to give it, to take it, to make it. Oh, I wouldn't trade it for a ring to rule your heart, 'cause I don't wanna find the one. That's just an idiot fantasy that you're waiting on again. No, I don't wanna find the one. That's just an idiot fantasy that you're waiting on again. No, I don't wanna find the one. 'Cause isn't love enough? I don't wanna find the one.